A candy stash hidden in a fridge, a festive avocado, and a super eco-friendly laptop? Watch these and other funny pranks in our new prank video. What time is it? It's lunch o'clock. I've got a big bag of fast food. And there are 2 boxes here, one for me and another for Curly Sue. But I'm going to save my friend from extra calories this time. Take chicken nuggets out of a signature box and put in a healthy vegetable salad instead. Curly Sue is thrilled to see my nuggets. Now she's looking forward to getting her portion. But something must have gone wrong. Apparently they have mistaken the order. There is a vegetable salad in the box instead of chicken nuggets. Curly Sue has never been a vegan. Meat attracts her much more than a tomato. Okay, I don't mind swapping with my friend. A vegetable salad is rich in healthy vitamins, I suppose. Blondie is sneaking to her stash with her spy walk. She takes out a sweet candy. But how is she doing it? I look into the fridge and see no candies. Blondie's creeping to her stash again. I start snooping on her. Where does she take sweets from? There is nothing that looks like candies in the fridge. No, everything is way simpler. Cut a bag of frozen vegetables along the seam. Take them out and put in colored jelly candies. Hot glue the cut. Blondie has a safe stash in a bag of frozen vegetables. No one will ever suspect that these are jelly candies instead of veggies. Just don't mix things up and don't stew meat with candies. I've got a new iPhone. I show it to my friend. It is very light and handy. Except that all the contacts have been left in my old phone. I asked Curly Sue to give me her phone number, and I will write it down into my phone using a pen. An old school way. Cut out a picture of an iPhone. Trace the phone on a pile of white paper. Glue the pages across the top edge. Cover a strip of paper with glue and attach a picture of the iPhone to it as a notebook cover. This is not just a phone, it's a whole phone book. It's a pity I couldn't call on it, but at least all the important phone numbers will always be on hand if a phone battery dies. Oh, whoa, it's a sad picture. Blondie has flooded the entire cafe with her tears. She has quarreled with her boyfriend again, or has she gotten the results of her entrance exams? She calls me on a crying jag. I can't understand what she's trying to tell me. The only thing I know is that I need to put a smile back on her face as fast as possible. I've got funny chocolate candies for an occasion like that. Print out a few small portrait photos on regular paper. Take wrappers off chocolate candies and wrap the candies in the printed photos instead of the wrappers. Blondie just can't stop crying. Here, take a candy and calm down. Once Blondie sees her friend's face stretched out on the candy, she forgets all her problems at once. There's even a candy with my face. We can arrange a whole candy theater. Who's the prettiest candy in this world? It's certainly me. No, it's me. The filling is so delicious. Curly Sue has printed a voice control signboard. And where is she going to hang it? She chooses a harmless but unexpected object, a microwave. Let's see how it works. Blondie is going to heat up her pie in the microwave. Oh, it's something new. How should I use this thing? Should I give commands? Okay, let's try. I put my food into the microwave, saying the spell. Microwave, turn on. No, start working. It doesn't. Heat up. Come on, bake. Maybe the microwave doesn't speak English, or I'm not persuasive enough. Blondie tries to clap her hands, snap her fingers, but it's all for nothing. The pie is still cold. Blondie is very serious about everything she starts. Once she takes up DIY, be sure that the entire tabletop will be flooded with pieces of colored paper, paint tubes, and spots and brushes. It looks like a handsome bomb has exploded on her side of the desk. Curly Sue's part is a whole different story. Her side of the table is always spick and span. She is obviously not thrilled to have such a messy neighbor. That's why Blondie is going to prank her. Cover the tabletop with parchment paper